Today, you will learn how to add more rows and columns in Word table easily, step by step. If you want to add a new row, click the row near where you want the new one. Then go to Table Layout and click Insert Above to add a row above or Insert Below to add a row below. You can repeat this as many times as you need. You can also quickly add a new row at the end of the table by clicking in the last cell and pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. To add a new column, click in the column next to where you want the new one. Then open Table Layout and choose Insert Left or Insert Right. Word will instantly add a new column. If you need several rows or columns, simply repeat the same steps. If adding more columns makes your table go outside the page, don't worry. Click anywhere inside the table. Then click the small handle at the top left corner to select the whole table. After that, go to Table Layout, click AutoFit, and choose AutoFit Window. Your table will automatically fit within the page width. Even you can manually drag the cell's border to adjust the table manually. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.